Hi friends, today we're going to practice some more incredible words. So first we're going to start out by reading our list of incredible words. So first we have in the first row an, and, at, by. The second row, can, fun, got, here. In the third row we have in, is, it, like. In the fourth row, we have look, my, on, see, and in the fifth row, we have this, went, and will. This, went, will. These three words are the words we're going to practice spelling today. This, went, and will. So, what do you need? You need a red crayon, you need your Incredible Word book, your plastic OG screen, and a pencil. Let's get ready. Find a place to work with a little space for your supplies. Have your crayon and pencil close by and have your plastic screen ready. Okay, friends, the first word we're going to practice today is the word this. This is a snowy day. This. So to spell the word this, I'm starting with the TH, and our T starts at the roof and is tall, and the H starts at the roof and is tall. THIS. This. So go ahead and get your screen, put your screen under your first sheet of paper, and you're going to use your red crayon and write the word this. 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 All right, now once you have it written, you're going to hold your book, you're going to stand up, and we're going to tap it. Ready? So I'm holding out my book, if I had my book in my hand, and you're holding your book and looking at the letters as you tap. THIS. 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 We're going to sit down and you're going to use your finger and trace the word. You should feel it with your finger because you wrote your crayon you used with the screen under the paper, so it should be pretty bumpy. THIS. This. So you get to trace it with your fingers 3 times. THIS. 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 Okay. Oh, let me go back. I almost skipped a step. All right, now you get to take your plastic screen and put it on top of your paper and use your finger on your screen, and you're going to trace with your finger, and you'll be able to feel the screen kind of get warm on your finger. THIS. 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 Now you get to turn your paper over. With your red crayon, you're writing the word this in your best handwriting. THIS. 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 I, S, this. Now it's time to write our sentence. I'm going to use the sentence I gave you in the beginning. This is a snowy day, because it really is snowy outside. This, uppercase because it's the beginning of a sentence, T, H, I, S, this is, that's a red word, an incredible word. You know that one. This is a snowy day. Now, you can make your own sentence. You can copy mine. This is a snowy day. I put an exclamation mark because I'm excited that it's snowing out right now. And I'm getting my red, and I'm underlining the word this. Reread your sentence. Let's check. We need to do some checking. We need to check for a capital letter. This is a snowy day. There's my capital letter, that capital T. We need to check for organization or understanding. Does the sentence make sense? This is a snowy day. All right, let's see. Check for punctuation. I have my exclamation mark at the end of my sentence. And we need to check to make sure our words are spelled correctly. So, here we go. This is a snowy day. Everything looks right. So I'm done with that sentence. Okay, friends, we're ready for our next word. Our next word is the word went. I went to the playground. Went. So went starts with a W. Pen's not working. W, E, both, excuse me, small words, or small letters. N is a small letter. W-E-N, T is a tall letter. Went. W-E-N-T, went. So I'm erasing the word, oops. I'm erasing the word this, and we're going to write the word went. You're going to put your screen underneath your paper, so when you write over top of the paper with the red crayon, it's going to make it bumpy with the crayon. So went. W-E-N-T, went. All right, we're going to stand up, and you're going to be holding out your paper. I'm going to hold out a paper. Oh, where's my camera? I have a little troubles with this, you guys. So you're holding your book out, your Incredibles word book, and looking at the word as you're tapping. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. Nice job with that. We are going to sit down, and we're going to use your finger, and you're going to trace the word 3 times. I'm going to write the word 3 times so you can see it, but you're tracing yours, feeling the bumps with your finger as you say the letters. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. All right, now it's time for you to get your screen. I don't have a screen at home with me, but you may have a screen with you, and if not, you can just trace it again with your fingers, or you can trace it up in the air. You can trace it on the floor, on the wall. You're just practicing tracing. You ready? So if you have the screen on top, you'll feel it with your finger get nice and warm. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. Nice job. Now you get to turn your paper over. I'm going to erase my work. And you're using your very best handwriting with your red crayon still, and you're writing the word went. Let me get my red crayon. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. So I want you to be saying each letter as you're writing it out loud, okay? And then now we get to write our sentence for the word went. And I'm going to start it with I, because I said I went. W-E-N-T, went. I went to, T-O-2, the, T-H-E, the. I'm going to go down to my second line because playground is a huge word. Playground. It has 2 syllables. Play. I know the word play. And then here's the word ground. You can copy mine. G-R-O-U-N-D. I went to the playground. And you should have written it with your pencil. I forgot to tell you that. If you wrote it with your crayon, no worries. Whenever we write our sentence, we write it with our pencil and we underline our red word or an incredible word with our red crayon. Sorry, guys, but that's okay. I went to the playground. Let's check it. Capital letter. Check. I see that capital I. Organization and understanding. Does it make sense? Can I read it? I went to the playground. Okay. Punctuation. Let's go back. Yes, I have a period. And the next thing is to make sure our red word is spelled correctly, or our incredible word, we call it. And let's see. I went to the playground. That looks great. Okay, I'm going back, and here is our last word for this session is the word will. Will is a good one to make a question with. Will you play in the snow? Will you? I hope you guys are. Will. W-I-L-L, will. So our W and our I are both small. Our L's are both tall. I'm going to write it. You can go ahead and get your screen. Put your screen under your paper, and you're writing the word will. W-I-L-L, will. Okay, once you have that written, you are going to stand up with your book, hold it out so you can see it. Now you're always holding it with your weak hand, and your strong hand, which is the one you write with, is doing the tapping. So you have your writing hand. I still have my pen in my hand. Where'd I go? Because I'm using that as I'm working, and the book's in the other hand. Okay. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. So I tapped it 3 times. I'm going to sit down, and I'm going to use my finger to trace it. You should feel the bumps from your crayon, so you're tracing with your finger. W, you're saying the letters too while you do it. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. Now you put your screen on top. So I have my paper and I have my screen on top, and you're going to trace it with your finger on the screen. Your finger should get nice and warm. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L-L, will. Okay. Turn your paper over. I'm going to erase went. Bye-bye, went. And I'm going to write the word will. Will. W-I-L-L,